What's up guys, in this water test video, let's check out how the Zenfone Max Pro M1, the latest budget smartphone from Asus, fares against water. Starting the test as usual from the display side of the Zenfone Max Pro, let's have a look at the effectiveness and resistance of the oleophobic coating against water. The presence of an oleophobic layer on the glass helps in preventing fingerprint smudges. Furthermore, it repels water instead of sticking to the glass, thereby giving it a certain little degree of water resistance. After that, continue with some light splashing, and if it survives, proceed to heavy drenching. Asus has not provided any sort of IP rating of water resistance on the Zenfone Max Pro M1, so it will be interesting to watch how it reacts to water. In my experience of performing many water tests on the channel, I have noticed that not all phones react the same. The most common reaction to occur is low distorted sound via the external speakers. But in some devices, there have also been instances of flickering displays and random reboots, but no other damages. The low distorted audio can last anywhere between a few seconds to several minutes. So let's check out how the Max Pro performs against water. In devices like the Redmi Note 5 and Redmi 5, which passed my water test with flying colors, the audio in them was able to recover within a few seconds of distortion. But the Zenfone Max Pro, similar to that of the Honor 9 Lite and the Redmi Note 5 Pro, wasn't able to reach the heavy drenching round. The Max Pro failed the light splashing round, hence the water test, due to the fact that it took about 18 to 20 painful minutes for the audio to come back to normal. So I suggest to avoid water contact for more than a few seconds, or else it may permanently damage the sound unit. Stay tuned for interesting tech stuff, more videos on the Max Pro, and new smartphones like the Xiaomi Y2, Mi A2 and Realme 1. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.